Time for another unboxing. Prada Papi, Prada-You, Prada-Me, Prada-You, Prada who? Hey, Prada-You. Let's do some Prada unboxing. This is a special Black Friday sample sale steal a deal from Prada, okay? Also, you guys, I still owe you that Prada scam video, which is crazy because it's been like over a year and a half now, where I lost a lot of money buying stuff from a Prada employee who was tricking me and basically took all my money. So I need to do that. So remind me to do that because I need to post that. I need to film that and post it and explain the whole thing. I'm still dealing with Prada, trying to get that all wrapped up and figured out. And now I'm going on a tangent. So we'll talk about that in another video. But anyway, this is a special little Prada unboxing from a sample sale, okay? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic. And today we're doing a quick Prada unboxing from sample sale from this place called Amuze, which I just figured out, just learned about. I know I've taken you guys on other sample sales. We went to Eclipse, I think, last year. It's like another one of those places. They have pop-ups, and I saw it on my feed, and I saw someone else buying some stuff from them, and they had a pop-up in LA, which they haven't done in a very long time. So I researched them a little bit, went on Instagram, all that kind of stuff, and found out more about it. And they do these flash sample sales like for 24 hours of certain brands, and then they had like a big sample sale in the store, and then they had more you could buy on the pop-up and then more you could buy online. Anyway, that should be later. So it's a Prada sample sale. It's a sample sale from this place called Amuze, and I got something from Prada. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please special, and I'll talk more about the sample sale and the company and how I got it. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing and keep on watching. First of all, if you know what it is, let me know in the comments below. I posted about this earlier, but like I said, this is from a place called Amuze, which is a new place I've never worked with before, never bought anything from, but they are a kind of sample sale pop-up company. As far as I understand, there's no middleman. They buy the things from the brand directly, bring it to their pop-ups, which they did a pop-up, and also online. And this is shipped straight from Milan, so I'm assuming this is coming straight from Prada. It doesn't have a Prada address, it just says Milan. Piazza Pateri. I don't know, I gotta look this address up. They had a sample sale for all the different brands. It was like all these brands: Celine, Dior, YSL, Gucci, Prada, Bottega, Balmain, Loewe. Like there were a bunch of freaking brands. They were all on sale. Bags, clothes, shoes, everything. Like 20 to 40% off. They had a pop-up in LA where they did a couple of the bags and stuff like that, and it was one day only, and I didn't know about it. I found out after the pop-up. Then I messaged them on Instagram. I checked the website, and they had like a 24-hour sample sale on their Instagram. It's Amuze Inc. I'll put it below. They had a sample sale on their website and on their TikTok, on their Instagram. Saw a couple of things, and then they had a 24-hour Prada flash sale, and then they had all these other items there. I think it was part of their Black Friday, which I've done a couple of videos about Black Friday. Louis Vuitton's having a great one. Gucci's having a great one. Anyway, so I saw this, and I got this. I wanted to get one thing and try it out. From my understanding, I feel like it's just under retail in France or in Europe. In Italy, it's about the same price as retail. So the discount is really just getting it at European prices, I think, because the prices are pretty comparable to European prices, much less than US prices. So saving you the trip to Europe and saving you the bringing it back and the VAT, but no VAT. So you're just kind of paying Europe prices, I think, with maybe a little bit of markup. I have to look the exact numbers, but it's way closer to European retail, which is fine. It's amazing if you want to get something from there at their prices and not have to go there, not have to fly there, not have to stay there, pay for a trip, not have to do the VAT and carry it back and everything like that, and actually spend the time doing that. Just get it shipped to you. So steal a video, okay? I'm gonna unbox it on TalkTick and then we'll unbox it here, okay? So I'll be right back. Okay, so I unboxed it. I took it out of the box. Okay, I'm sure you can tell from the box what it is, but if not, we'll just unbox it right now. So normally these are like, so like I wanted to get something and try it out. Like I said, it came straight from Milan. This probably gives it away. I don't know what that is. And then I wanted to get something that I've been wanting, and I wanted to get it like, to see what it was. So normally these are 15, 16, 1700, I think. The price was around 800 or 900, so it's like almost half off. I already unboxed it, okay. It is these Prada boots in black. There should be two of them. Oh yeah, there's the other one. Just kidding, obviously there's two of them. Oh my God. Oh. You guys, what do we think? So they're leather boots, the big heel in black with the Prada logo on the side. Okay. Yay! You guys should check them out. Really good deals. Steal of a deals. Under retails. I'll look up the prices real quick to tell you the comparison to give you some, info. Big Black Friday sale. It's worth checking out. According to the Prada website, they are $1,550. $1,550 USD plus tax. So let's say $1,700 in Italy, they're 1250 euros, which VAT is actually less right now because the dollar is stronger. So let's say it's $1,200. But this, I want to say, was 900? Was 1,000? It was $995, $20 shipping. So like 1,000 versus 1,200 in Europe versus 1,700 here. So $700 off. Good deal. Thank you, Amuze. That's all I got. Let me know if you need anything else and go check it out. Okay, that's a quick one I'm doing. I love you guys. Yay, Prada. Prada Papi, Prada You, Prada You, Prada Me, Prada Do, Prada Who, Prada Who, Prada You. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby.